Hi, I'm Dr. Tanushree Biswas, and if you're dealing with hair thinning or early stage of hair loss, you've likely heard about PRP or platelet-rich plasma therapy. So while traditional PRPs has been a trusted solution for years, we are now entering a new era with the introduction of the Metacell plasma treatment or the MCT, which is a scientifically advanced exosome-enhanced version of PRP that's transforming how we approach hair restoration. So Metacell technology or MCT is a revolutionary advancement in regenerative medicine. It utilizes your own exosomes, which are autologous exosomes. These are tiny but very powerful signaling molecules derived from your own cells. So these exosomes act like messengers, instructing your scalp to repair, regenerate and revive inactive or weakened hair follicles. This makes the treatment not only faster and more effective, but also significantly more precise in targeting the root cause of hair loss. In traditional PRP, we extract your blood, concentrate the platelets and inject them into your scalp. This triggers the natural regrowth mechanism of hair. It works, but can take about 6 sessions or more, and the results are very gradual. MCT technology takes this a step further by combining the same PRP with autologous exosomes and sometimes even adipose-derived stem cells or the ADSCs. These work together to dramatically amplify the body's healing response. It stimulates stronger hair regrowth and improves the overall scalp health. This combination also reduces the number of sessions required, typically just 3 treatments, with an optimal booster dose for after 4 to 6 months. This means what you get is faster and more visible results, less downtime and fewer clinic visits. This procedure is safe, non-surgical and FDA as well as CE cleared for intradermal use, making this one of the most reliable and advanced options available in today's times. But this just isn't an upgrade, this is a breakthrough. For the first time, we are seeing regenerative medicine being used in a way that is both aesthetic and medical. MCT has shown clinical benefits beyond hair restoration, such as improving scalp quality, reducing inflammation, and even aiding wound healing process. That's the kind of innovation we stand by at Kaya Clinic. So whether you are a young adult noticing early signs of hair fall or someone with more advanced hair thinning, Metacell PRP can be customized according to your needs. It is effective for both men and women across all age groups and delivers healthier, fuller, and longer-lasting results without the hassle of any invasive procedures. Kaya remains at the forefront of innovation in dermatology. The launch of Metacell plasma treatments is a part of our ongoing commitment to offer science-backed, globally certified solutions which would prioritize safety, comfort, and visible transformation. So if you're ready to take a step ahead in your hair restoration journey, it's time to experience the power of MCT. Book your consultation today and discover how Kaya Clinic redefines non-surgical hair regrowth where science meets beauty.